Do you want to know how to upload digital products on your Gumroad account? Here's the step-by-step process on how to do it. First, you need to access your Gumroad account, and once you're in, just simply click the dashboard, which is located at the top right corner of your screen. And once you click the dashboard, you will redirect to this page, which is you will see a button right here at the bottom, which is the create your first product. Just click on it, and once you click on that one, you have to name your product that you wanted to post or publish, and you will see which type of product that you are going to publish. Like for example, membership, some bundles, course or tutorials, or even ebooks. But in this case, we are going to publish or upload a digital product. So you just have to click on this, and after naming, you will see under services, if you also like to publish this one, you have a commission, call, or even coffee. And after that, you will have to price your product based on your preference. And that's how you publish or post, even upload your digital product on your Gumroad.